on YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. As you guys can see, we got the Air Jordan 11 Platinum Tints on deck. We're about to get into a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet at the end of the video. And before we get into it, don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Man, this shoe right here, there's a lot of controversy going around. A lot of people don't like the shoe and things like that. A couple people do. But y'all know I'm here just to give you guys the review. Let you guys see what they look like on feet. And you guys be the judge of your own person if you like the shoe or not. Alright? First off, everybody knows the Air Jordan 11s. They come in pull-out boxes. Well, not this time, guys. Jordan brand decided to, I guess, give us this box right here. Now, a lot of people ain't happy. I don't know if the OG heads is happy because the 11s did come in this Jordan box back in the day. But yes, $220 is the retail on this shoe. They released October 27th. The colorway is Platinum Tint University Red. These are the Air Jordan 11 Retro Platinum Tints. This is a size 9. Take a look. Everybody knows this box for the Jordan 10s. Alright. Inside the box, there's nothing special at all. You do got your black paper, and that is basically it, guys. And we are going to get into these bad boys right here. Now, off the jump, as you guys can see, man, the colorway on the shoe, the color is like a off-whitish, grayish kind of color. Does have the white on it also to make it pop. The colorway on this shoe in person is nice. I'm not gonna lie, I think the colorway is dope. Starting off, we're gonna start off with the front. Take a look. As you guys can see, now the material on the whole shoe is in a nubuck. This whole material over here that usually you will see patent leather on the shoe is in nubuck. It's got a nice nubuck to it. It's soft, but I know a lot of people will love to see that patent leather. Starting off, as you can see from the front of the toe is milky. Going up, take a look. You got your rope laces in white. Doesn't come with no extra set of laces. Over here, you got your Jumpman Jordan with your black Jumpman right there. Tongue is also in the mesh. Now, going up on the upper over here, you can hear that. It's like a rough kind of mesh material up there. As you guys can see, you do have the white, that 360s. They did give us a red Jumpman stitched in right there. The red on the shoe makes the shoe pop. I like that a lot. You got your red stripe right. Medial side, take a look. As you can see, you do have your platinum tint, nubuck, real nice and soft. It does continue over here by the ankle area. You do got the red stripe on the medial with your mesh on the upper. For sizing on this shoe, I do recommend you guys go true to size, so you'll be good to go. Back of the shoe, we do have the black and it does have the 23 in red. Now the back of the 23 is not stitched in. It is in that plastic, so this will definitely rub off in time. Inside of the shoe, they did give us the shoe trees. Now, we do got the red shoe trees. Alright. And inside the shoe, you got a gold Jumpman, sock liner in black, inner sole in black. Everything blacked out in the inside. Behind the tongue, quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever, which is MJ, with the gold Jumpman behind the tongue. Bottom of the shoe, take a look. Your bottom is like a milky bottom. Yeah, it's like a milky, kind of creamy bottom. You got your red Jumpman with your hits of white, and you got your pods, and of course you do got your carbon fiber plate in black. And that's basically it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this a cop? Is this a pass? I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on feet. Stay tuned, got more videos to come. It's your boy DS Dan, and I'm gone.
Yeah. Sometimes it be the people closest to you. Your right hand man, your best friend.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
Be the same ones plotting on you, trying to take your place. Lord, all came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me?
think back then if I asked you to wait on me? Nah, nah, nah. You see me shining and you wanna throw some shade on me. Wow. Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. You changed on me. Changed on me. You changed on me. Wow. If it ever came down to it, would've let you throw that weight on me. That weight on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. I don't deserve it. If you wasn't my brother, then it wouldn't hurt me. But I got a purpose. You just starting on bitches cause you really thirsty. And I'm really working. I'ma go get the crown cause I'm really worthy. That you in my circle. Now you plotting no robbing, so we gotta murk you, boy. I ain't never wanna hurt you, boy. Force my hand and I don't have to. Street smart, couldn't learn in the classroom. You been trapping, but I flew right past you. If it's really all a part of the plan, then sorry mama, you was right. Cause you told me not to hang out with them killers, I almost died the same night. Lost some niggas, I survived, so wishing they life would revive. Reminiscing about the times, we ain't had much with it all combined. I got a lot of shit on my mind, I just don't know how to let it out. I was sick first, but I'm better now. You built the coach, how to sell me out. All came from the same place, so how you gon' hate on me? Hate on me. Doing your thing back then if I asked you to wait on me. Nah. You see me shining and you wanna throw some shade on me. Wow. Don't choose my homie, but I guess that's shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. Shame on me. That's shame on me. That's shame on me. You changed on me. Changed on me. You changed.